Today we're unboxing and installing JUSTONE's brand new 2025 Carplay portable display. First, check out that sleek installed look. Okay, let's begin. Unbox the screen, you'll immediately feel the premium in-cell laminated display. Here's what's included: power adapter and USB-C charging cable. Let's power it up. Connect the cable to the adapter. Then plug it into the screen's side USB-C port. Insert the power adapter into your car. And we've got liftoff. Now, find your sweet spot on the dashboard. I'm using this quad lock to ball head adapter. Connect it to our long arm bracket. Then align and snap the bracket onto the screen's back. Press firmly until you hear that satisfying click. Find a good place for the bracket and the screen. Prep your dashboard, give the surface a good clean. Apply the circular adhesive pad. Heads up, press hard for 60+ seconds and let it cure overnight. Almost there, apply the strip tape along the screen's base. Attach the suction cup to the adhesive pad. Then snap the suction lock shut. Position the screen flush against the dashboard. Final step, test your control knob's range. Find its perfect home and stick it down. That's it, installation complete. Go enjoy your upgraded drive.